Well now, I am tired. After a first week back at work, I am so tired. So I thought I'd open a box of Footy Stars. Just the retail box today. I might have some more on the way soon, because I can't help myself. And I have some people wanting various boxes. What am I talking about? Wanting various Luminous and Footy head cards. I've got my checklists in the room of cards. The house of cards, no, not yet, but the room of cards, yes. So let's have a little look in here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Look at that. No? 12 packets off the back. Well done, me. Ah, thanks, me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And of course, the bottom of the box to go last. So yes, this is empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So of course this time I don't mind hitting Footy heads. Yay, Footy heads. Yay. We've got our sleeves, thanks to the good people at Select. Oh, move the chair a bit closer. Put the card stand of greatness. Poised and ready. Jonesy's ready, Eddie's ready. And of course, Rad's now ready thanks to intense espresso there. Wonderful. Oh boy, what a day. You have to go to the post office. Someone has their card sitting at a post office for 3 weeks in rural Victoria somewhere. And then they write and say, well, where's the card? Well, it was sitting at your post office, man. Oh, I think we've got a hit from the first card. Wow. This is incredible. So we got a Jakey Stringer Luminous Assist, a Nick Blakey Footy head. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's weird. I thought when you had 3 base cards. Oh, who knows? Question mark, therefore, and so forth. I don't know the saying. See, that one has 4. I had actually a team coach pack the other day that had no insert in it at all. I was damn you, team coach. 250 games for Crispy Jack. His game streak is still going strong after taking over the immortal Jim Steins. And what a couple of results. Brisbane just rebounded after their humiliation against Carlton. We've got an adrenaline Jaden Short from the Tigers. See, that one had 4. Very interesting. Oh, we have a tough to open packet. We've got Matthew Kennedy, Hayden Young Footy head, and Andy McGrath. Base cards. No many base cards. I think this is the last retail box I'll be buying, but that's had some good hits. I mean, I got the Dacos. Oh, I can't even remember. Neutron, Levi Ashcroft, Tim Kelly, Milestones. And well done to the Roos. You got to give them credit. They've done it tough for many years, and they finally got a good scout. I know the mighty Dees did it tough 10 odd years, 15 years ago. Shai Bolton, Daniel Rioli. And oh boy, did they do it tough. But now, who knows what can happen after we eclipse the Suns. Oh yeah, you gotta say it. We eclipse the Suns. Oh, Octane, Harry Cheezels. Oh sorry, and a Tim English Luminous. always good to see tracking there. Going, why did I leave you, Mighty Demons? Why? Why? I'm sure he didn't say that, but Jasper Fletcher, Jai Newcomb, Adrenaline. Oh, Chad Warner and Nathan Broad. 150 games for the Tiggies. Big lot of games. Of course, the big one, Melbourne and Fremantle at the MCG, hoping for a nice Demons victory, but Freo are out of control. To see the Master and the Apprentice, Max Scorn versus Luke Jackson. Looking forward to it. Bailey Smith, Footy Head. I'm pretty sure that's one from the checklists. Thank you to everyone that's written in and asked. For different cards, Maxi Holmes, Isaac Rankin. Oh, Brownlow Predictor. Oh, there, just out of nowhere. Andy McGrath from the Bombers. Oh, that's a nice one. Obviously, not too sure he's going to be too successful this year. Poor old Bombers. Number 166 of 220. Oh, we got the box hit off and about early. Oh, still got this pile to go through. Nate Caddy, Luminescence. And an Ed Richards, Adrenaline. No Octane, Bailey Smith from the Cats. Now we just have to pause for one moment. Back from my pause. I just wanted to shout out and say thank you to Benjamin Krowitsky for all his comments and questions on my different videos. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and it's good chatting with you, buddy. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video, and let's see. Oh, we know we can't start pile 2 without some dare. So cheers, Benjamin. Alrighty. Andy McGrath, Sam Darcy, Footy Heads. So we've gone through a third of the box, and we've got a Brownlow Predictor, and that's it. Oh. To open packets. We got Took Miller. Oh, there you go. Daniel Rioli, Mercury. Wow. Just when you thought it was safe to open the packets, along comes Mercury. Number 22 of 425. Excellent low number. I just love those are the best cards in ages, I reckon. They're so cool. I mean, even the tie-dye ones. Again, I've said it a few times, I think. Okay, we've got It's Butters and Darcy Jones Octane. Powering through all the packets here. We got a Jarman Impy, Luminous, and a Nate Caddy Adrenaline. Oops, wrong pile. That one goes there. Awesomeness. Okay, Nick Blakey. And an Aaron Cadman Footy Head. Oh, I'm even getting puffed from opening them that quick. Matthew Owies from the Eagles, and a Darcy Byrne-Jones, 200 games, yay! Oh, well done. Alright, make sure everything's put in the right pile. That's how we roll here at Bradsky Packets. The house of packets. to be maintained. Riley Sanders from the Doggies. And Harvey Langford footy head. Yes, the Roos. The Doggies are in trouble. But a lot of injuries, mind you. I think. Or Sam Darcy, obviously, but going to be an interesting end last couple. Oh, we've got our favourite card. The only reason I make videos is to go Logan Morris. Oh, he's becoming just an, what is it, Tom Hawkins like forward, really. Just the return of the power forward. Number 482 of 510. Not exactly what we call an essentially low numbered card, but no dramas. Select rewind. We've got Tom Green from the Giants. We'll put that one there for now. Forgot about those. Why couldn't you be a neutron? Why? Ben Keys from the Crows, of course, and a footy head, Tristan Sherry. 2 piles down. Another quick burst of dare should see us through this last pile. Wonderful stuff, wonderful. Wow. We've got an Isaac Rankin Luminous and a Connor Rosie footy heads. Hopefully I can fulfill some footy head requirements. It's gone real dark. Toby Nankervis. And Charlie Spargo from the Mighty Demons, 100 games. Good to see Charlie doing well at the Roos. He wore the number 9. That's my favourite number. Paddy Dangerfield, Luminous with a Will Ashcroft. Adrenaline. Okay. Mitch Owens with another select rewind. We got Finn O'Sullivan from the Roos. Wow. Very stormy today here in Perth. Hope the weather's good where you are. A Lear and a Braden Maynard. What do you think? Massimo D'Ambrosio and Josh Rochelli. What a day. Out and about early, as always. Get all the chores done. Ready for a good day's footy action. Nazaya Luminous and a Jesse Hogan Adrenaline. We've got a Jake Waterman Luminous and Hunter Clark Milestone. Oh, getting close to the bottom of the box. Which is probably good timing because it's really gone dark outside. Wow. Footy heads. We've got a Jake Lever Luminous and a Nazaya footy head. There we go. Back in action. Camporelli Luminous and an Archie Perkins Octane. We've got a Stephen Canelio Luminous and an Adrenaline of Braden Maynard from the Pies. Alright folks, it hasn't been a bad box, but we're down to some last packet magic. And what do we have? Seth Campbell with a select rewind of Jakey Lever. Wonderful. Well, just the 3 hits from the old retail box again. Well, with 3 rewinds, which aren't too bad. We got the boom from Logan Morris, the Daniel Rioli Mercury, and the Andy McGrath Brownlow Predictor Signature. Well, thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Wonderful day. And obviously keep opening the packets. I hope your team wins unless you're a Freo supporter. Then I hope the Dees win. And of course, we shall see you in the future. Bye.